Yo, what's going on, everybody? So, this is the weekly outlook video for the week after the election. So, what we're going to talk about is the market reaction from President Trump being reelected. So, super exciting. And, whether you like the guy or not, uh, you can be hopeful economically about where the United States is heading as a country. And I think that's, something I wanted to point out here in this video. You know, the markets during the election, I was watching the election coverage and everything else. But I was looking at, where we were with like how the markets were reacting as the votes were coming in, right? So, um, a, like this area right here on the S&P 500, you can see this is November 5th, right? So this is like 6, 10, 14. So it's already starting to rally as the votes were being counted. And then about right here, which was 11 o'clock at night, the markets just shot up because it was pretty much confirmed that Trump was going to be reelected. Now, it was interesting. You never know. You never can tell. But this was a major crossroads. So, had the election gone the other way around, I don't think the markets would have liked that as much. It wouldn't be as bullish. In fact, I think it would be very bearish for the markets because here you could see us trending lower before the election, the week before the election, right? So this is like on Halloween. So, markets were consolidating here. And once things started to turn up for Trump being reelected, then, we created a double bottom here. We're looking at US 30 and just completely skyrocketed. So, whether you like the guy, you hate the guy, it looks good economically, which means things are going to cost less. There's going to be more opportunity. Investments are going to, whether you have a retirement account or anything like that, it's going to be very good for your pocketbook. There's really no other way to look at it. So at the end of the day, when you end up with more money in your bank account and things seem to be doing better economically and things are more affordable, I think that's a great sign. So it's hard not to like that. I don't know anybody that likes to struggle so much that they're going to keep struggling to, you know, validate their political ideology. At the end of the day, that's going to break. But if you things are more affordable and it's easier to survive, then it's a good thing. So you can chalk it up to that and just be hopeful that that continues. So Bitcoin is, because Trump is a huge supporter of cryptos, and Bitcoin is, I think, now I'm not a crypto expert, but I think it could give it the juice fundamentally to maybe hit that 100K mark. Who knows? Maybe around Christmas. Dollar index made a big pop up. This was following the election, retraced a little bit to this level of support that I'd had marked out here, and seems to be forming a bit of a bottom here. So you can see it across the board. GU trending lower. Didn't quite hit my limited order, but that's fine. Euro USD currently in a short here as well. It's Friday, so don't expect much to happen. And data wise for the week, we do have inflation. So I don't think this is going to pull as much weight as it has previously, but of course you have inflation, you have the Fed, and it's kind of its own autonomous deal in a way, at least for now. I don't know, maybe they'll end up auditing the Fed after all. That's what they say they're going to do. I doubt it. I doubt it'll happen, but that would be amazing. So, but we have core retail sales on Friday. The big market movers is inflation on Wednesday or Thursday, excuse me. PPI on Thursday, CPI on Wednesday. So that's what we're looking at. Again, it's not only a crazy week, it's been a crazy 2 months leading up to this, and it's been a crazy 4 years. So really excited to see how 2025 for business, for entrepreneurship, and for the markets pan out. And we're moving into Thanksgiving and Christmas, which is a kind of fickle time to trade, but I think it's going to be pretty good this year. So let's make it happen. Let's have a great week, everybody. Peace.